So if you have a Ford 6-liter diesel and you're noticing a strange sound coming from the motor, only on a cold startup. I'm pretty sure it's the turbo, but let me know. Yeah, betting it's the unison ring that they call it, but check it out. There's that little squeak. I'm pretty sure that's the vanes opening up. I don't know, it only does it when it's a cold start. When it's warm, it's fine, it's no big deal. But it's that cold start in the morning when you go to start it. Let me know if anyone else has dealt with this.